Yo, guys, good morning. Happy Monday to you. Man, it's good to be back in the saddle. Took a couple days off last week. Last week I had a bunch of technical issues on the computer, and it was just really a missed out week. I really didn't get to do much last week. And then when we reached into Thursday and Friday, I was like, you know what, man, I'm not even gonna get into it. Took a little bit. I did the watch list. We got that sent out both days. Took a little trade on Friday, but it wasn't one of those little $25,000 accounts. Got a little profit on that one. Might try to see if I can get that one knocked out today or tomorrow. I suspect a little bit of choppiness today, so I don't really want to go after it on the bigger stuff. So I might just use that one. Then crazy, I got sick for like 4 days. Just random, man. I'm telling you, just random glitches going on in the matrix. But glad to be back here with you guys. Yo, Dan, good morning, man. Happy to see you. So happy to be back, guys. Now the watch list has been sent out. Give me a second here. Let me make sure. The watch list has been sent out. Yep. So should be good to go there. What's going on here? Give me 1 second here. Yo, the beast. What's up? What's up? All right, let me post over here on the Discord real quick as well. What is happening? Who's breaking in here? Nene, papi está trabajando. No, 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 no. Daisy, ve para allá. Ya. Bye, mami. Quiero. All right, back. All right, back and ready to rock and roll. Let me put out a quick post here in the Discord, let everybody know we're live. Solomon, if it's your first time, then I suggest you leave your money in your bank account and not trade real money. This is what I suggest you should do. Go through this free course and get properly educated in trading. You can't just come out and look for somebody to tell you, oh, I'm buying this call, or I'm buying this put, or I'm buying futures, ES contracts at this level. You got to learn to trade for yourself. Following or mirror trading is a surefire way to blow up an account. Why? An experienced trader is going to see things and know things that they're, from seeing and analyzing the chart that you're not going to know. And when they stop out of a trade, you'll get caught like a deer in headlights and end up holding bags. So the best thing you could do, 1000%, is save your money in your bank account and use a portion of it to go through a good day trading course, to go through maybe paying for a good simulator to trade in a simulator, okay? Stuff like that. That's what I suggest you use. Use the money for education. I mean, I'm giving you that advice because that's what I did when I started trading. A lot of people start off with their real money and they blow up accounts left and right. I didn't do that. I started off in a I started off with paper trading. As a matter of fact, guys, I was deleting old pictures in my phone, and I didn't delete these. I still have them. I'm gonna try to dig them back up and show them to you guys. I would paper trade on paper with a pen, on a notepad, and then I traded in a simulator, etc. So that's my best suggestion. A lot of places will tell you, no, just follow my alerts, or here, pay for my alerts. No, that's nonsense. I do have a Discord. So that's the free trading course. Here's the free watch list. Here's the free Discord. once you go through some of that stuff, and you can even buy this now if you wanted to, would be a prop trading firm. You can trade with their money. Give me a second, I'll get you that. There you go. And then that way you can trade in a simulator with maybe a little bit more of emotions behind it, because there you're going to start off in an evaluation account, which is going to be in a simulator. And the simulator, if you pass it, think about it like a test, right? If you pass it, you'll get paid to trade. So just some stuff there, a bunch of tools there for you to go through. I do have courses I sell, but I'm not even pitching you those. I'm just giving you all the free stuff ahead of time there, first and foremost. All right, guys. So we know the market's opened there. Guys, do me a quick solid. Hit that like button. It really helps out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. All right, so on the SPY, very simple. I'm watching 412 for resistance area and 410 for support zone. Here's your 410 area. If we break underneath 410, I'm looking for a move into 408. Okay, if we break over 412, I'd look for a move back up here to the highs. I don't think we get that. I think we just get choppier up here. So hopefully we can trade back down here, break under 410, and make a move towards 408. That's what I'm looking for there. TMPO. This one, not anything anymore. I had on the watch list if it was over $1.52. It's not, so it's no longer in play as far as I'm concerned. And then the next one, I was watching another smalley. Here it is. INAB. If you can get up and over 288, at this point, maybe you'll have some move to go higher. This thing tends to give back its gains. Look, you can tell right here. Look at all these upper wicks. All these circles are upper wicks that just big moves to the upside, giving back. Big move to the upside, giving back. Again here recently, right? So, yeah. I would imagine it would give back a lot of that move off of 288. But however, if it can break up over 288 and hold that level, I mean, at that point, you got room there to 330s, maybe even the 340s. So you can keep an eye on that. Yes, the beast like SNOA. SNOA is notorious for giving back gains. Here, right here, huge wick. Right here, another huge wick. Right here, another big wick. Yep, just like SNOA. Nice. Man, I love that you remember that ticker. My Discord, there is no Discord membership. It's free. There is no Discord membership. Discord is free. That's why it says free Discord. There you go. It's free Discord. Yeah. The only thing that I sell can be found here. Can be found there on that link. And here. That's it. That's the only thing I sell. Yo, Bands, welcome to the Discord. All right. So on the ES in the email watch list that we sent out earlier, on the ES I said I was watching 4160 area for resistance. We've reached 4160 zone. Let's see if it's going to act as resistance now. 46. No, nene, mami, no, 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 no. Oh, okay, sorry. Dale, llévate. Dale, Daisy, dale. My kid left her toys here. All right, so we're still up there in the face of that 4160, guys. It's not backing away. All right, so we're breaking through 4160 there. So far, no trades for me. Yo, Trade Simple, what's up? What's up? So we're getting through that 4160. Next resistance zone will be around 4165 on the ES. Hey, why isn't my... Whoops. Give me 1 second here. Gotta open up my ninja again. I like that trophy there. That's funny. Rocket ship emoji. All right, there we go. Got my charts back up correctly. All right, guys. I'm just sitting there watching and waiting. That's a nice open, but like I'm saying, I think it's just going to be choppy. Bro. I wish like you could put GIFs in the YouTube chat. I want to do the one with the little stick like that pokes it and it's like do something. Well, Dan, we've missed you, brother. Little Cuban coffee here. Oh, that's so good. Oh, guys, I gotta show you something. I know for sure only one person will know. Well, not only one, but I know of at least one person in chat that's gonna know what this is. If you're there, are you there, Trade Simple? You've been traveling too much, Dan. Too much. Trade Simple. There it is. Let me make sure it focuses. There we go. There we go. What's that? Damn it, no napkin here. Hey, Ralph. Ralph was lurking. Ralph Blanco was lurking. If I would have known you were in chat, I would have said you probably knew because, well, your last name, Blanco. The beast says first world problems. That is a guayaba empanada. For those of you who don't know, guayaba is guava, and empanada would be, I don't know, it's flour, water, vegetable oil, yeast, and it's made into that little thing, and then they fry it, and they put a lovely guayaba paste in it. It's delicious. I rather a pastelito. Those of you who don't know, you need to come down here to South Florida, and then you will know. I mean, if you're down here, you guys got to hit me up, and then I'll take you someplace, and we will have. If you've never had it before, we'll have guayaba pastelito, and if you've never had Cuban coffee, you will have some as well. And then you're gonna be so excited, you're just gonna run out and buy my course. I mean, it's just simple. Croquetas are a given, absolutely. It's not homemade. My wife makes them homemade, and it makes them way better. That's just a little snack. Me and Jonal, guys, Jonal was here last week, and on Thursday we were hanging out, and we went to this little local place here, and that's where this is from. I kept a couple extra on my desk. I was like, you know what? Those are my snacks. Oh yeah, my wife makes them, right? But she makes them with guayaba and cream cheese inside. So good. So good. 4163 area holding up some resistance. I was watching and waiting to see if we can push into 4165 area before I went try to get a short. We'll see. I fire him all the time, but he still came by the house. Now he was here last week, came by on Thursday, and now I don't know where the hell he's at. He's like in Tennessee or something now. The beast. The beast. You definitely got to hit me up when you're in South Florida, bro. Oh, Dan, the house prices. You were just here, right? Did you shop around? August. Oh, you're gonna have to come on down to the Keys. That's where I'll be. I'll be down there. So if you find your way down there to the Keys, Trade Simple, let me know. Right near the house, there's a real awesome restaurant we can hit up. But yeah, we should definitely get together. Boca is expensive, brother. I mean, come on, my guy. Boca's expensive, bro. Everything there is probably like 600K and up. Like, yeah, bro. Boca, forget it. No. Boca's expensive. Boca's expensive, for sure. And depends what you're looking for as well, right? And the areas, etc. I don't know if school's a thing for that you would be, I don't know if you got kids. So like, and I don't know if they attend public school, right? But if that's a thing, then obviously areas with good public schools are going to be more expensive. Boca's just expensive because that's people retire there a lot, and there's a lot of doctors and lawyers in that area. So Boca's just stupid expensive. This market is doing nothing. How the hell with does money? There is people, or there's Google and Meta there that I don't know. No idea what you just said. Yes, banging that pivot point. Yeah, it's having major struggles up here. I think it pulls back, but maybe not. I don't know. It's 50-50, and that's why I'm not in a trade right now. Because, yeah, I could scale in here and scale into 4165 for the short, back down to 4156. But I don't know. I don't know. Honestly, it's not an easy trade right now. Man, the people that live there in that Boca area is, like I said, doctors and lawyers and stuff like that. You're talking about people making 20, 30, 40, $50,000 a month, $60,000 a month. So that's why they live there. or people who have been there for decades or bought before things were nuts. Like, for example, I'll give you a great example. You could drive by my neighborhood in the Keys and you'll be like, nah, Jesse, that guy must make like $3, $4, $5 million a year. No, I don't make three. I'd love to make $3, $4, $5 million a year. That'd be freaking amazing. But I bought at a perfect time. I bought perfectly. It was just perfectly purchased. And now I have $1 million house on the water. You know, could I go buy that house now? I'd have the down payment. I have no idea what the mortgage would be. I don't know. I'd have to do the calculations. The good question would be, would I buy that house now? Hell no. Crazy? I like to be comfortable. I like to be comfortable in the sense that I can just turn off everything right now and be gone for a month. It's not a problem. It's not a problem. If I don't make money for a whole month, will I be scared? No. You know, and that's the point. For me, anyways, I like to live below my means. There's comfort. There's comfort in that financial responsibility, in my opinion. I find comfort in it. I find comfort in it. I find comfort in living below my means. Excuse me. You see, yeah, see? Exactly. So that's what you have there in Boca, right? You have a mix of people who who bought before things went nuts, and then people who bought at the heights, but you know, they can swing that payment, at least currently. We're flagging up here. Nice little flag area. You got your little bull flag set up here. It's a struggle zone, but I feel like we'd have to get up here to 65 to truly test that resistance. Previous bottom right here. Oh, wait, you guys aren't seeing that 60-minute chart. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me put some funk in it. There you go. Here's that 65 zone I'm talking about that I think needs to get tested. Right here. Bang, bang. Then we broke underneath it. We got up here, tested it, quickly violated, and then just bang, vanished off of that level all the way down to 41.35. Now we came back to 41.35, we bounced, and we're going right back into that 41.65 area. I want to see that area get tested. That's all. Yeah, hurry up, chop chop. I wish. Looks like that 41.63 is trying really hard to hold resistance, guys, but I don't know. Yeah, Dan, so you got to look at some other areas. I don't know. I don't know what other area, like where you're interested in. And I don't know every area's pricing, right? Because I could say something like you could look at Fort Myers. I don't know what they're looking. I know they were expensive, but I know they're in recovery phase after the hurricane. So sometimes you can get, and this is not to sound callous and oh my God, you're taking advantage of people's misfortunes. Everybody has misfortunes, and there's always a winner and a loser. And thankfully, for the most part, everyone generally has homeowners insurance. I had my roof replaced 1 year because I lost it after a hurricane. Okay, so you gotta do what you gotta do to get a property. And if somebody's selling a property at a good price because it has damage, they're selling it, right? You ain't taking advantage of no one. What are you supposed to do? You're supposed to go out there and pay for it. Oh no, wait, you're selling your house because you need a new roof and you can't afford it. I gotcha. Let me give you a roof. That's not the real world, right? So if they're selling it, then you can go in there, step in there, and buy it. So you can look for stuff like that. 4 Miles Cape Coral area. Um, I don't know what the pricing is in the area right now, but generally speaking, you could probably look for deals in that area. They're possible. There should be some there. It's not going to be this dirt cheap pricing, but you know, it's definitely going to be cheaper than Boca. I travel south from West Palm Beach down. Yeah, careful in West Palm. There's some really bad neighborhoods in West Palm. Just be careful out there. I don't know which ones they are because I'm not from there, but you just got to be careful in West Palm. I don't know, like for example, in Fort Lauderdale, Broward County, I don't know what the Cooper City area. I don't know what that's looking like these days. Very city, very much city like. It's a lot of traffic, but there's generally a lot of houses and condos and whatnot. That could be an area. And then down here in Homestead, Florida, south of Miami, it's still relatively expensive, but it's less expensive than Boca. Like for example, if you saw a house in Boca, I'll give you this example. And I have not looked at pricing in Boca. I just know it's expensive because it's Boca. But let's say you saw a house in Boca, and that house was $600,000. You probably saw a 3-2 regular size lot. Maybe you had enough parking for 2 to 4 cars. The houses, like typically very much on top of each other, you know, not a whole big gap in between houses. Um, if you brought that kind of money down here to Homestead, you'll probably get yourself about half an acre with a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house, 2-car garage. And since it's half an acre, you can park all the cars. And you got really good space between the houses. So you're not on top of your neighbor. So that's an example I can give you. And that's not all homes, it's select areas. It's freaking raining. Well, guys, if you got short there at 41.63, I got hard-headed and waited for 41.65. You're up at least a couple points right now. And it looks like it wants to give you a little dump down to 59. Very, very choppy action. They're still bull flagging. Guys, do not forget to take advantage of this. I mean, this is the biggest discount these people have ever done, I think. 90% off on the bundle and the regular accounts. I'll show you. Where is my internet browser? While I wait for this market to give me a directional move, you come here, you click that link in chat, you come here, and you can either get a foundation account if you want just one account, and you'll get 90% off with my code, okay? Or you can get the bundle account, which is what I would suggest. You come here, you're like, you know what, but I want to buy the bundle of the $150,000 account, right? Normally that's 359 bucks. With the 90% off, you're talking about it's coming out to $35.90, and you're going to get 5 accounts. Now, that doesn't renew, so you're not going to renew that next month. But, shish, man, you can come in here and for 72 bucks, basically, get yourself 10 accounts. That's insane. That's really insane. You can really go, you know, let me say how it. You can really go balls to the wall here and get yourself a bunch of accounts and really try hard there to get it funded. That's not a bad deal, man. 90% off. Good Lord. On my chase to get another funded account. And now I've gotten to the point where I want them. I'm not going to say all of them, but I want a good chunk. Okay, this is what I'm thinking. I got my $50,000 account. That's the one I trade in, right? Boom. That's where I make my money. With them anyways. I'd like the 150,000 account, and then I might grab the $25,000 account. And then what I'll do with the $25,000 account is use it for swing trades because you can swing trade with them. That's what I'm thinking about doing. That's what I'm thinking about doing. So yeah, make sure you take advantage of that. That deal ends today, by the way. It's not like one of those things where it's all month long. I wish they did it all month long, but it's a flash sale. So it's good today until 11:59 p.m. All right, guys, we're pulling away from that area now. It's a little scalpable range. I mean, if we get down to 41.53, you might see a little bounce back from there. I'll probably wait until 41.50 zone and maybe see if I can catch a little bounce there. Scalp a handful of points. It is pouring rain out there right now. Pouring rain. Oh, you caught a short at 61.75. Nice. Nice. The beast. You're up a little bit there already. Bro, you can tell that little nasal spray I used is going away. Stuffed up. Yeah, big time, the beast. Big time. Guys, give me a second. I will be right back. All right, guys, and I'm back. So we're getting a little bounce there off of that 58 zone. Not a pullback deep enough for me to want to buy it, and we haven't pushed far enough for me to want to short. So honestly, just no trades for me. No trades for me. I wish we would have pulled back to levels I could trade, but or pushed into levels I could trade, but we haven't. We really haven't. It is protein shake time, guys. Wow, nice move there. That's a big move, man. That's a really nice move to the upside there on the ES. I mean, it might not be a giant move by any stretch of the imagination, but that's a nice pull back there. Found some support here at 57, and then we just took off. It wasn't a bad setup. Just wasn't. It wasn't that big a deal. It wasn't that clean. Were you able to cover the beast? So we pushed up there, made a new high, and now we're back down here at 61. Man, this is a nothing burger of them open. Look at this. Let me show you the spy. Let's turn this into a 3-minute chart. That's all we've done. That's all we've done. A whole lot of nothing. So 59 holding support right now. And VWAP holding support on the SPY. A whole lot of boredom. You ain't lying. Guys, has anyone seen that new TV show on Netflix called Beef? It's with Glenn from The Walking Dead. Is there? Oh, wow, you're right. Look at the cues, man. Straight up, straight down, but at least it was bigger moves. You're not wrong. SPY super quiet. Oh, looks like that little bounce off of 59 will work. Maybe. BBBY with that bankruptcy. There you go. Huh? How about that chart, guys? Look at that chart. From $50 to 20 cents. Ain't that crazy? Guys, look at Tesla right off the watch list. We said watch the in the on the watch list. If we can't get over and hold 165, watch for a drop into 162's area. And there we are. Beautiful. Exactly what we said. The beast, but rocket ship emoji. Come on now. Apes. You know, all the things. Oh my god, man. What guys? Anyways, guys, if you haven't seen if you haven't seen Beef on Netflix, I highly suggest you go watch it. I think there's like 10 episodes if I'm not mistaken. You should just binge watch it. Watch like 2 episodes every night for a week. Totally worth it. It's really good. No, nene, papi está trabajando. No, mamá. ¿Por qué tú metes la perra para acá adentro? Give me a second. You know, The Beast, I haven't made entertaining YouTube videos in forever, and I honestly don't have any desire to make one. I don't. Like it's not it was to a point it was fun just to make it for myself and be like, "Oh, cool." But now I don't want to do it and there's nothing that I get from it honestly, so I'm just not making them. I don't know, maybe I'm making a mistake in not making them. Maybe now I should make them. I don't know, man. Been on YouTube. I've been on YouTube long enough where I think this freaking channel should have 100,000 subscribers and it doesn't. So I've quickly lost the taste for making videos. The live streams are cool, whatever I do them, and I'll keep doing them for some while longer. Maybe we'll do them forever. Well, not forever. But you know, who knows? Maybe we spend the next 5 years making live streams every single morning like this. I don't know. But the actual videos themselves, I don't know. Kind of lost my taste for them. It takes a lot of time, man. It takes a lot of time. That's why usually if I make a video, it's something I'll make the video out of one of the live streams. So like if we go through a really good lesson here, I'll record the lesson and then I'll edit it and upload it done. But to set up everything and make the actual video and then do all the editing, nah. I really lost the taste for it. Yep, yep. Every time it gets there, it kind of loses a little steam, and just I don't know. There's a chunk of contracts at 43 zone, but it's not that bad. I think it should break it. What? Wait a second, guys. This is not real. If this is real, this will be the second time the Wall Street Journal messages me. Years ago, I had the Wall Street Journal quote me on a statue that the Miami Marlins had in their stadium. They used to have a statue in center field, and the Wall Street Journal's like sports dude um wanted he was gathering thoughts from people, and he found me on Facebook somehow, and he asked me, and it's out there, it's printed. I'll try to find it again. But now I just got an email. Let me see what this is. Let me see if this is real. It's real. Oh no, this would be the third time then, because I did a phone interview with the Wall Street Journal and I completely forgot about it. I wonder whatever came of that. I got to look it up. Where they asked me about Bed Bath and Beyond, and they asked me for my thoughts on it. And now this person got my information from that person I had done that phone interview with, and now she's asking me if I'm interested in getting on a call today. Yeah, of course. Why not? Cool. Yeah, I'm down for that. Let me reply back to that email. Whoops. That's freaking awesome. Yeah, yeah, the beast. That's cool, man. Hell yeah, I'm down for it. Why not? Bro, this is the slowest market morning that we've had in a while. My God. Bill, Wall Street Journal big times, just. Oh man, that's fun though. I'll do it. A little email popped up out of the corner here. I caught my eye. I was like, nah. I had forgotten about that interview. I gotta search. I gotta tell Jonah to look into that and see if that last interview, if they did anything with it. Because sometimes they do interviews, they don't utilize it, but that'd be cool if they did. For real, the beast. Wait, no cap. I'm just hanging out with you guys at this point. I've taken no trades. This is this is a type of action that could really get you in trouble. Because we're in the middle of nowhere. If anything, we're closer to resistance than we are to support. But it's not giving up. So I don't know. Just sitting on my hands. Guys, don't sleep on that 90% off. Oh, there you go. Finally got a little push there to the highs. Through them as well. The volume is drying up big time though. Yo, Alfred. What's up, my man? Yeah, the likes are lacking today, only a couple hundred. Guys, if you want to watch some entertaining stuff, go check out my man Alfred right there. Check out his YouTube channel. If you want to see like what it looks like when people take their boats to the boat ramp in South Florida and what a show it is, you got to click his channel. Go over there, subscribe and watch. I swear to you, man, I put it on when I'm eating lunch during the day, at least multiple times a week. Yo, good to see you around here, man. Thank you very much for tuning in. Exactly, the beast. It's free. Oh, Wiley, nice. Damn, that's awesome. Alfred saying that my stream popped up in his homepage. Hell yeah, bro. It's been forever because I swear to God, bro. I think YouTube hates me sometimes, most of the time. So I'm glad to hear that. That's really really good news for me. No, you won't see me, the beast, because I don't boat down here anymore. I have the boat. Well, I have the boat here now because I brought it up for some service, but it's not in the Keys at the Keys house. So yeah, you'll never see me on one of Alfred's videos. It's I don't remember how long Alfred's been doing this, so I don't know if you dig back enough, you might be able to find it. Alfred, it's a 25-foot white CV with a white hardtop with a single 300 horsepower E-Tech. So it's possible that I don't know how long he's been doing it. It's possible it could be in one of his old videos. Yes, it is the beast. YouTube is a fickle beast. It's got you like a hero one day, like a zero another. Oh, Alfred's is gonna come all the way down to the Keys and film me docking. You know, man, that's one of those things where I remember when I sucked at it, but now I can do it with the eyes closed. Do it long enough, eventually you get good at it. Finally getting a little pullback here, guys. Waiting to see if 65 can get tested on that ES. We got up as high as 64.25. Now we're starting to pull back. There it is. Maybe we weren't meant to get to 65. In 6 months, in my opinion, lower. In my opinion, we will in 6 months we will be lower than we are right now. So you know what? That's a good little filler there before I start getting ready to get going, guys. I have the interview with the Wall Street Journal at 11 a.m. So I'm gonna be getting out of here a little bit sooner, so I can knock out some stuff before that comes through. Um, okay, so let's go to the daily chart on the SPY. I think, wow, Alfred, bro, you're the man. Thank you, bro. Appreciate that. Oof, monster, guys. You gotta go check out Alfred's channel. I'm telling you, you're the man. Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate the love. So on the SPY, what I'm doing, this is my personal thing here that I'm waiting for the opportunity. I think we can get possibly up here towards 420, and then I'm gonna buy put options, right? I'm gonna scale into it. So like, let's say I want just 3 put options, depending how expensive they are. I'll buy 1 here, okay? And then if we get up here towards 430, somehow if we get there, I'm gonna size in and buy my next possibly 2 put options. Now these put options are gonna be expiration dates of next year, like January, for example. And then I'm gonna look for the market to get itself back down here. Obviously, it's not gonna happen over 2 days, right? I'm gonna get to see if the market pulls itself back down here, because I think that if we start to get recession scares, like real legit recession scares, I think we, at a minimum, will get back down here somewhere. And that zone will be my first take profit zone. I'll sell some of my put options here, possibly just 1 contract. And then if we get down here, right, which is last year's low, I'll sell my next one. And then if the recession happens, right, like we know that by the time they announce a recession, we've already been in the recession, right? By the time they announce it, we're probably going to start bouncing off of it, right? So I think if by the time that we get that like recession type of, guys, all right, the recession's real, it's here, we're already like down here, 330s to 320s, and then that's when we start to bounce, right? Possibly back to the upside. So this would be my final take profit zone. And I think we could be down here in the fall to early winter. That's what I'm thinking. Now, like everything, we could be wrong, right? We could be extremely wrong. Maybe we don't get a recession. Maybe the Fed can make a soft landing happen, right? And if that happens, well, it's no biggie. We're going to do that over 430. We're going to climb up here to 440 possibly, and I'll sell out of my put options and I'll stop out of the position, right? So my risk factor is going to be something like this, okay, something like that size. But my potential take profit, you're talking about that. Now that's a risk to reward that I'll take any day. So you're talking about possibly I'll lose 50 to 60% if I'm wrong. But if I'm right, I'm gonna make on my first take profit probably 100%, maybe more. On my second take profit, probably 200%, maybe a little bit more. And then on my final take profit, anywhere from 400 to 600%. So it's worth the risk to reward. Now, obviously, if I know that my risk is going to be possibly 50, 60%, a little bit more, a little bit less, well, I'm not going to put in to the trade more money than I'm willing to lose in there, right? So I'm not going to be like, oh, I'm gonna put on there a $10,000 trade because I'm okay with losing 5,000, 6,000. I'm not okay with that loss on that trade, on any trade really. So I'm not gonna put that type of trade on, right? So I'd probably put on like a $3,000 or $4,000 trade and be willing to lose $1,500, $1,600, right? So hope that makes sense. Now, guys, this has nothing to do with my long-term investment strategies. I still apply those all the time. This is just an active trade. It's similar to the FRC trade. I'm in. Oh, I didn't know we bounced back that much. I'm in call options on FRC that I bought in here. I bought call options in FRC in here, and I'm looking for FRC to survive the fiasco. These options don't expire until I think it was sometime next year. I'll have to go in there and look. And I'm looking for FRC first target and maybe second target. If I get that, I get out of those call options, bang out triple digit gains again. You know what I mean? Damn, we bounced back nice. Hell yeah, let's go. Happy to see that. Didn't know. All right, guys, so the SPY pulling back. Couldn't get through that 413 zone with some oomph. Now pulling back all the way down to 4150s. I was hoping we'd get to 4165 and thoroughly test that. We got as high as 4160 on the ES. We got as high as 4164.25. And now we've pulled all the way back. So we'll see. We'll see what happens there. Nice, the beast. Nice job. Oh no. Oh man. Yo, Bill coming through with the super chat. Alfred and Bill hitting them the home runs for me today. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate the love. So you got now the ES down there at 4150, trying to get itself a little bounce back. I think we got to go a tad lower, man. 10:42 a.m. already? Golly, I got to run, guys. Yeah, I got to run. I gotta run. I'm gonna hang out five more minutes, and then I gotta run so I can knock out some stuff around here, and then get ready for that phone call. Thanks, the beast. Appreciate you. Oh, see, there we go, guys. Lower. As I said, we gotta go lower. There's no. I would have loved to have bought right there, but no, I felt like we had to go lower. Maybe around 41.45, we could see a little bounce. I think that's possible. 41.45. Show you where I'm getting that from. Right there. Previous bounce here. Where's the other one? Previous bounce right here. So maybe we can get down here to 41.45. We could see a little bounce. You could get a little scalpable bounce there. Getting down to 41.47. I'm hoping that we can at least get down to 41.45, man. Oh, wow. Didn't see that. I mean, this 41.46 zone is a bounce zone as well. What time is it? All right, guys. I got to run. I'll see you all tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. again. All right. Good job today. No trades for me so far. I'm going to keep an eye on some of these levels, see if I can get them later on. If not, no harm, no foul. Tomorrow's a new day, okay? Thank you guys very much for tuning in. Remember to take advantage of that 90% off. It goes away tonight at 11:59 a.m. I'm telling you, man. I don't know if they're going to, I mean, who knows, man? Maybe tomorrow they come out with 95% off. I don't think so. I think that'd be insane. But they got 90% off right now. I'd take advantage of it. Guys, I'll see you all tomorrow. Stay safe out there. Be careful with the chop. Take advantage of your levels. And make sure you stick to your stop losses. I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.